All right, now let's talk about the features for designing the sales page and the webinar page. Okay, so just like I mentioned earlier, these two features are there to help you design your pages and create layouts that are optimized for conversions. That's the most important thing, right? So, creating conversion optimized designs for your webinar registration page and your sales page. But the copy comes from your side. Like I explained earlier with the single prompt website, it generates both the copy and the design for you. But with these two options, sales page design and webinar page design, you provide the copy, right? So, for example, it could be your existing page that you want to redesign. You can just paste the copy here and the redesign will happen. Or it could be a new copy, a new page you've written, and you want it designed right here. So again, whatever you want to do, right? So let's say, I think yesterday I created a page that had the copy included. Yeah. So if you look at this, so this is 1 second. Yeah, so this is with respect to, the full copy has been provided here. I think there are some internet issues. Yeah. So if you see, this is where the full copy has been given, right? And after the full copy is given, this is about designing the copy that you've provided, right? So there's a specific way to provide the copy, and that's something that needs to be understood, right? And this is where our AI marketing engine also comes into play, by the way. Like, so the AI marketing engine is already live in all the customized accounts. Flex the Funnel's customized account and AI marketing engine is a feature that, creates a lot of great things for you when it comes to your marketing, like your emails, your ads, your upsell ideas, your headline content, sales page, webinar page headlines, and your WhatsApp messages. It creates ad hooks for you. It creates video ad scripts for you. It generates a complete sales page copy and a webinar registration page copy for you, right? So this is what you can use here. Of course, you'll be using everything else too, ads and all that. But for the website building feature, you'll be creating the page copy from here. Let's say webinar page copy or sales page copy. Right, we've provided specific training on how to use the AI marketing engine. You can find it inside time denomination. But again, you'll be using that. And by the way, I'll also put the link below this to watch the AI marketing engine training. Anyway, so yeah, you can create the copy here and then put it into the sales page design. So let's go back to the Flexibot. Okay, let's go back to the Flexibot here. Number 1, number 2 is, in this video, let's not create a full copy from scratch because that's going to take some time. But we've given you the instructions. You just need to answer, let's say, sales page copy generation questions about your ideal customer avatar. Just answer 4 questions and it'll create the copy for you. Or if you can be more specific by answering more questions, that's even better, right? But what I want to show you is something that's even more important in the context of this demo. And that's, the format in which you need to provide the copy to that. Sales page design and webinar page design. The format is actually the most critical part. So let's say we have a page here. Let me see, I think I probably have that same page. Okay, let's say this is a sales page copy that's being generated. So as you can see, I can just copy it. I can go to the sales page design and just paste it here. But don't just paste it like this. Make sure to remove all the extra parts. For example, the page starts with this hello bar. So this top section, I will create a high converting sales page for Fleximinal. This and this, these need to be removed. Okay, so that's one thing. So yeah, our AI marketing engine already separates these. So basically, these tags are important, okay? You need to know what a headline is. If there's a headline, what is the first fold? What is the pre-headline? So these tags are important for our designer, for the AI designer to understand how to design your page. Because if the AI designer doesn't know what you consider to be a headline since you wrote the copy, or, in case the AI marketing engine is writing the copy, so the AI marketing engine is providing these markers, right? Hello bar, first fold. All these markers are from the AI marketing engine, but if you're writing the copy, you need to do it yourself. If you're writing in a Google Doc or elsewhere, just note what's in the first fold, next section, and third section. So for example, let's say I go to one of my pages, let's say this page, and I open a Google Doc. For example, let's say I want this page to be redesigned, right? And, through a sales page designer or a webinar page designer. So I'm going to copy the content from this page. Okay, let's say I just copied the content from this page. Okay. All right, so if I come back over here, I'll paste the content in. Okay, since I want this page to be redesigned, I'll put this content right here. Okay, so now this content is right here. Maybe I'm going to, select all of this, clear out the formatting so I'll have the full text at the top. So now in this text, I need to mention, for example, hey, this is the first fold section, okay? You can say first fold. You can say first section. Just to make it simpler, just write first section. But use these markers. This is important. Okay. And then, let's say this is pre-headline. So what is the pre-headline? What is the headline, right? So this is pre-headline. Then this is a headline. So you need to mention what is a headline. This is a post headline, so you need to mention that, right? This is a post headline. This is a post headline, for example, right? Or let's say some pointers. I can just say pointers. Right? So these things you need to mention. And then let's say if I go to this page. So there's an image, right? So of course you are not going to pass on the image over here. So you can say hero image, right? So you need to mention that. Then let's say this is a CTA button, right? So you need to mention that, let's say not the CTA button. I would say this is a sign up form, right? So you need to be telling the AI what exactly is what. So this is a sign up form, right? So reserve your free spot. So everything. Or maybe you can say sign up form starts, right? And then this it will understand, okay, this is the headline. This is limited seats, free seats, and soon. And then you can mention sign up form ends. Right? So, and in between that, since there are only a limited number of seats available, you should definitely mention something like the person's full name, their email address, and also their phone number, right? Break time equals 0.5s/. And then for the call to action, or let's say the button that you want people to click, you can mention that it is going to be the specific button, right? So you need to specify exactly what your form is. What exactly is this? Then, right after this sign up form ends, then mention the next section. Right? And okay, by the way, let me make it all one text size, yeah? So next section. And then this is the headline of the next section, right? And similarly, you'll do this for the whole page. You'll do it for the whole page. And once you're done with your copy, you'll put that copy into the sales page designer or the webinar page designer, and then it's going to do the designing for you, right? So I already showed you one of the designs. So again, I just copied the page, the content that I had received from the AI marketing engine. So I copied it and I shared it here. So it designed the full page. So again, you can just use the AI marketing engine. It's already putting. If you look, it's already putting these markers. So we've created the AI marketing engine in a way that it's already putting these markers. So let's say you copy this, go to the Google Sheet, so instead of starting from scratch, use the AI marketing engine to create your copy. And now this is your copy, right? So within the copy, now let's say you want to add any sections, so make the changes. Whatever copy changes you want to make, do them on a Google Doc, right? So let's say you want to add something here. Let's say you want to add one more bullet point here. You want to change the copy of this text, whatever it is, and once you're done with the copy, just select all of it like, Control-A, Control-C, copy everything, go to Flexibot, start a new page, choose Sales Page Design, paste it, and you're good to go. Like, just click this button. So yeah, this is how you use these two features. So use Sales Page Design for designing your sales page. Use Webinar Page Design for designing your webinar page.